Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So this is more of a follow-up video for the flasher relay video. So I was talking or commenting with one of the viewers, I am Benny, and he gave me a fantastic idea. He used an H4 socket to make the relay a little bit more clean. So essentially H4 socket with some male ends that plug right into the fuse box. Now that got me thinking, I can make it even more clean by making a full-on adapter using my 3D printer. So I have worked out a design and I have a prototype right now currently running in my car. Now, I don't know if I'm going to make any of these for sale, so I don't know. You guys can reach out and ask. If I get enough interest, I may. But for now, it's just pretty much giving you guys an idea on how you can make it clean. And I like clean. So instead of using these little crimped wires, now I have an actual adapter that's in the car that's completely plug and play. Now I'll show you guys right now what it looks like. I'm currently working on the final version so that it is completely 3D printed and completely clean. But right now I do have a version in the car, my prototype, that's currently running the flasher. So let's take a look. All right, so here is my adapter that I've created. As you can see, it's a block. It just plugs right into the block, the relay. I don't have two hands, so I can't really detach it right now. But this will just essentially plug right into the OEM spot. Now, I'll show you guys right now how easy it is to install. Like I said, I'm working on the final. That's why this one's kind of taped together. But I'm working on the final design right now. All right, as you can see, the empty spot right there. So this really just goes in there and just plugs in like that, just like the OEM, and it stays in there. Doesn't go anywhere. It's clipped into the OEM spots. All right, so here's the finished product. I printed a boot for it out of some TPU. So that it covers up the middle ground. That's where the two pieces will join. So this is where the relay will connect. And this end would plug into the fuse box. All right, there you go, guys. That's the flasher relay adapter that I made and 3D printed. It's a lot of work to actually 3D print and design, so I don't think I'm going to be making any of these for sale. But that gives you an idea of what you guys can do to make your flasher relay look a little bit more clean than all the dangling wires around. Anyways, I hope this video helps you guys out. If you haven't already, please comment, like, and subscribe, and share my videos. As always, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.